if you want to create cricket videos for your YouTube channel, then watch this video because I'm going to tell you how you can create CSK cricket videos for your YouTube channel. But before we dive into it, just look at the video that I created with the help of ChatGPT and Canva.
Ruturaj Gaikwad, Rachin Ravindra score 50s as CSK defeat MI by 4 wickets. Chennai skipper Ruturaj Gaikwad and Rachin Ravindra start.
You see, I didn't do voiceover myself. I used AI to do the voiceover. All the images that you are seeing with all the animations, I've used free software for that. So if you want to create such type of cricket videos for your YouTube channel, then watch the video till the very end because I'm gonna walk you through with the exact steps that you need to perform in order to create such animated cricket videos. But before we dive into it, please subscribe to the channel so that you can stay updated and join my exclusive WhatsApp community. The link is in the description below. So let's start. The first thing that you need to perform is you need news or you need content on which you want to create video. So what I'm gonna do, you can simply search on Google for the latest match. For example, just like I did CSK cricket news. After you will search, you will get a lot of articles. You can also refine your search on the basis of your latest cricket news, right? So CSK latest news today. So this will get you the news of CSK about today. Then what you have to do, you have to open any article that you think have a very powerful content. For example, let me open this article from NDTV. So now this is the article that I think that it is good. But if you do not like the article, you can always go back and you can change your content. So for example, let's say I go to previous search query, and then over here I can see that this is the article that I've chosen from the Indian Express. CSK's versus MI highlights. Ruturaj Gaikwad, Rajendra Ravindra score 50s as CSK defeat Mumbai Indians by 4 wickets. Now what you have to do is you have to open ChatGPT and then you have to paste down this same content. So what I did, I just copied the content from this website and I pasted inside the ChatGPT. Right? The moment you will paste the content, after that, do not forget to add repeat same. Now why I am doing this? For that, this will help us in doing the AI voiceover for free. But you will be asking how this AI voiceover will be done. So in order to know how AI voiceover will be done with the help of ChatGPT, you need to go to my channel, which is youtube.com/RohanGulati504. And then in the video section, you will scroll down a little bit where you will see this video of ChatGPT where I'm showing how to do voiceover for free. So voiceover with ChatGPT for free. This is just 3-minute long video. Watch this and you will get to know how you can do voiceover with the help of ChatGPT for free. Once your voiceover is ready, right, after that you need to come to Canva. So I'm gonna make use of a fresh template on Canva. So you search YouTube video and then you pick up this blank video section. Then pick this up. After picking this up, what you have to do, you have to upload your voiceover inside this YouTube video section. So I'm just gonna add some more pages so that I do not miss out the voiceover. So go to the upload section and the video section. You go and select the voiceover that you just downloaded and then upload it and then select it and then right click over here and click on extract audio. Now this will extract the audio for you. The audio has been extracted. After that, just delete this video and now you can see that the audio has been extracted, right? Now the first step has been done where we can see the voiceover. So if you want to listen to voiceover, just listen to this.
Ruturaj Gaikwad, Rachin Ravindra score 50s as CSK defeat MI by 4 wickets. Chennai skipper Ruturaj Gaikwad.
Okay, so now we have got the voiceover. What is the next step? The next step is to download some images from internet. Again, so you go to Google and then you search CSK versus MI highlights. Then you will be able to see a lot of images will be there. Choose the best image that you like. Then come back to your Canva, in the images section, upload all the images from your desktop or from your local device. So just download the images that you have. Once you upload the images, then one by one import it. For example, like I want to show Mahendra Dhoni in the first because he is an role model for many of us. So just click on it and then right click on the image and click on set images background. Similarly, then go to the next page and then choose the next image and then do this set images background. Then go to the next page, then again choose the image, then set images background. Then add one more page and then choose the next image and then set image as background. Now we have added four images. After that, if you want to trim some of your audio, because I feel that like in the starting we are missing out the content, so just listen to this. There is no content for around, there is no voiceover for around 2 seconds, so I have to eliminate this part. So how can I do that? So just select the audio and then click on split audio. So from wherever you want to split it, just select that part and then click on split. Now the audio has been split. Just delete the first one and then it's done, and then drag the audio towards the right hand side. Okay, so now it's done. Yeah, it's done, guys. Cool. Now if you play the audio, you now can see
Ruturaj Gaikwad, Rachin Ravindra score 50s as CSK defeat MI by 4 wickets. Chennai skipper Ruturaj Gaikwad and Rachin Ravindra starred with 50s as the hosts defeated Mumbai.
now the problem is that this video is too long and the images are not animated, but whereas in my previous videos all the images are animated.
Ruturaj Gaikwad, Rachin Ravindra score 50s as CSK defeat MI by 4 wickets. Chennai skipper Ruturaj Gaikwad.
So how to do this stuff? For that, first we have to limit down the duration of the video. So just select the clip and then set the duration for which you want to display that image. So I think that 1.5 second is a very optimal time, because that will also excite the user and won't waste their time as well. So I'm just gonna do all the videos for 1.5 seconds. Now it's done. Now I have to add animations also. So in order to add animations, you need to expand this so that like we can add some animations. Now you see this part, add transition. So click on add transition. So there are so many transitions that you can choose from. So let's say I want to, okay, so let me limit down to this 33%, but we will do it later on, but right now it's fine. So let's say I like this one, or you can choose this one. So I'm choosing the first slide. So let's just select this one. Now let's add transition to this as well. So let's say this time I'm gonna choose the color vibe. Let's add transition to this as well. So let's this time use the stack one. Let's add transition. No, we can't add transition in the last page. So we have added like 3 transitions so far. Now we will limit down this, and then we are also gonna short this up. And now let's play the video.
Ruturaj Gaikwad, Rachin Ravindra score 50s as CSK defeat MI by 4 wickets. Ruturaj Gaikwad.
You see, the video has been animated. If you want to add some text, definitely you can do it. So let's say I want to add text on the first video. So you go and select the text part and then you choose whichever text you like. So for example, let's say I am liking this one. So I'm gonna just write CSK 1, and then I'm gonna place it at the right hand side, and then I'm gonna increase some of the size for CSK 1. That's it. I can also do it like this so that like it is more visible. If you want to add some animations to this, so you can go ahead and like click on effects, and from here you can add some effects. Also you can animate this. So let's say this one or maybe this one. So yeah, now this has been done. Now if you play the video, you will be able to see.
Rachin Ravindra score 50s as CSK defeat MI by 4 wickets.
You see, the whole video has been completed. So this is the way through which you can create videos for your YouTube channel and upload it. So I hope you like the content. If you have liked it, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.